Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, to Blue Eye Blondie 32, but you can call me Jeanette. And before we get into this video on how I create this, kind of like quick, easy, kind of like spring, summer look, but you're like in a hurry, go out the door, but you want to have like a fresh looking face at the same time, like when you're going outside, but you want to make sure that your makeup is going to stay on. I made a video on all day sweat proof, like what I normally do, like when it's hot out, and I just, try to like keep it where my makeup is not going to move when I'm out, out in the heat, out in the weather. Yeah, this is basically, like what I do. If you have not seen that video, I'll put an iCard up here so you can go watch it. It's very, very like in depth, like what I actually do, like when it's hot out. I mostly like sweat up here. Not like everybody else, they, normally sweat, they probably sweat up here to T-zones and everything. But mostly when I'm out in the sun and it's hot out, I mostly sweat here. I seriously sweat from my head. So, but if I'm working out, I'm going to be sweating everywhere else. But I'm still going to be sweating from my head. Make any sense? Yeah. And yeah, so I love how I actually created this eye look. It was like I want to go for something that was kind of like natural in a way. I hope y'all liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if it was very useful and informative to you. And plus I got to show like some new products I have been holding on to since like March. So it was like I really need to use those, and I didn't know exactly what to what's the word, what to create it with. Okay, so I'm gonna go with butter from this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I guess I had some creasing going on, so I'm gonna try to blend that out really quick using that Stay Matte powder. I'm going to apply that on really quick. And then I'm going to go back to butter. And I'm going to put this in my crease. I'm just going to run it from, doing windshield wiper motion. Just going from, outer crease to inner crease. Just, where I normally put it. And I keep on building up the color till I get the look that I want. Okay, now I'm going to go with Pookie in this shade right here, which is called, no, not Pookie, I mean Pooter. And I'm going to go with my e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm going to put that in my crease, just below butter. I'm just going to keep on working on it in the crease and then blending those two together. Make sure there ain't no harsh lines. And then I'm just going to keep on adding more of Pooter into my crease. Okay, now I'm going to go with this BhCosmetic Me for Sale palette. I'm going to use this olive shade right here that I told y'all that I loved. And I try to apply it with another eyeshadow brush. As you can see, it's going on there, but it's not as pigment with a brush. So I was like, it's not, coming up like I want it to. So I was like, screw it, I'm going to go with my finger, my ring finger, and I'm just going to apply it like I would with using my finger, and it shows up more, as you'll see here. It's like, oh my gosh, this color, olive, whatever, shimmer green. Looks so good. Okay, I want to show y'all something, that I haven't even opened since I got it like not last month, but a month before. And I wanted to do something using these. I mean, they're both green, and they're both, well, one of them's by Maybelline and one's by L'Oreal. Infallible paints. One's like a, like an eyeliner, like a, to make a wing, like that, as you can see right here. And this one is like a pencil. So I want to try these. So I have not opened them. And we'll go ahead and open it to see how it'll look with this look, or you can, if I wanted to like create any type of eye look using this. So it's not retractable, but that's okay. I just want to see how it works. So we're gonna see. It glides on very, very easily. You can barely tell that it's green. And if I wanted to just use it like to make a wing liner, I could do that just, by going this way. But I want to use the Infallible Paints liquid eyeliner. So that was like kind of pretty glide on easy. So I want to try this one. This was in Wild Green. The other one was in Glossy Emerald, which you could barely tell. Looks like black, like from way back here. But yeah, I wanted to try these. If this works, or if I tend to like this eyeliner, I might get me a black one. So let's see how it works in that. Never tried this before, so I just want to try it. Like, I'm just gonna like kind of make a line here. I'm probably not gonna make like a wing today. I just wanna hurry up and do this. I like how it doesn't tug. So that's a plus. I still like this eyeliner. Oh my goodness. Yep, I'm gonna have to definitely get me a black one. This way you could really like control it. I like that. I'm just trying to kind of like make a wing, but I'm gonna be wearing falsies over this. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna take that Glossy Emerald on my bottom waterline. Let's see how it does. Not bad, huh? Okay, now I am going to take, I think it's Puder right here. I'm gonna put it on the lowered lash line. Same color that I use, I think, up top, like, or in the crease. So I'm just gonna kind of like work that. I didn't get to, show this in the video and everything, but let me grab the eyeliner. At first, y'all seen where I was like, oh, you know what? I really like this eyeliner. But after a few minutes later, it was like starting to like crease like over here. I'm like, no, that's no bueno. So I was like, I love the color though. I like how it's easy to apply, but it doesn't stay on. It's like Maybelline or L'Oreal. You need to fix this shit where it doesn't, even though it's paint, of course sometimes paint comes off, you know, but it's like, that's why I always go towards with NYX liquid matte. It doesn't move unless, you know, something else happens, like, I don't know. That's why I always use like e.l.f. cream eyeliner, because it doesn't move, doesn't budge, and it's smudge proof. But yeah, that's just a little, you know, want to throw that in there in case y'all curious about want to try this eyeliner. I mean, it's good. I mean, if you want to try it, if it works for you, I'm just, you know, want to throw that out there because it may crease, like on this side, like if your eye gets wet or something like that, then you want to take precaution when, you know, something like that happens. And I try to like touch it out. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and use my NYX liquid matte eyeliner. And I just really love that. I'm like, I need to get me a backup because every time I do an eyeliner, I always use the liquid matte eyeliner. Yeah. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and go. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!